Well, Chief Equity Strategist Erin Gibbs. First, let me just get you at 30,000 feet on the markets here. Okay, a little bit of a sell-off here. Same with yesterday, which was tiny. Let's remember that yesterday the Dow had been down much more and closed down just 4 points. So resilience in the markets you still see?
Absolutely. And even we've seen it started to recover a little bit even as we're going through the day. We sort of had that initial reaction of, oh, looks like Vance isn't going, and now we're sort of pulling back, and it's going to be another small day. Completely reasonable given where we've come from.
Okay, so tell people, as we look at the markets, go deeper. What are you buying right now at SlateStone? You guys have several billion in assets under management.
Yes, so we have an interesting take on this. I love some of those energy names that you just mentioned, but I like to look at more under the radar type of companies. One of the names that probably isn't a household name for most people, but Generac, they make backup power systems.
Gas powered, sure.
Yep.
I have one.
So we are actually, we're looking at getting one ourselves. So yes, if you live in an area where you have to worry about like backup generator for your home, you know the name. But they have over $500 million in orders from data centers. Because you know those data centers, they need to keep the electricity on. Similar with orders from hospitals. So yes, you might want a backup generator from them from your home if you're out, in the middle of nowhere or South Florida, but they are also massively growing. So regardless of what happens with Iran, we still need that energy. We need to have backup power. We need to have alternate power, and Generac is one of those great names. Really great, exceptional growth.
Liquid natural gas has also been held up. 20% of it, also natural gas, goes through the Strait of Hormuz, and that has been effectively closed since February 28th. So is natural gas, which has really seen a big pop since the start of the war, the way to go here versus oil?
It's one of the options. I like CNX purely as more of a war play. All of their natural gas comes from Appalachia, so just the Mideast of America. They are completely insulated from the Strait of Hormuz when it comes to their pipelines. I think that Wall Street has been rather negative on the company, but looking at like the growth numbers and just their insulation from what's going on with the geopolitical world, I think this is actually a great place to get into this stock and just, really investing in the heart of America.
I've got to ask you about volatility. Again, we're going macro. Volatility has popped 12% so far this week, and it's only Tuesday. Yes. Because clearly we've got this deadline. Who knows what will happen? We've seen deadlines come and go. President Trump continues to say that he probably won't extend it. But again, this is still murky. Is there a way that you play volatility specifically?
So one of them is getting in. So partially it's getting in before earnings season because we've got some big numbers and some big names coming. Part of it is getting in with all these headline news around Iran and also the Fed chair. Well, we've got a lot of headlines fighting for some time right now.
And by the way, the Fed meeting begins a week from today, everybody. Remember that.
So I would say I'm looking at companies that can weather the storm of all of these events that we're dealing with right now. And I would actually say that getting in before the volatility or after the volatility, but we don't really want to trade right in the middle of it. We're not trying to sort of guess exactly where that earnings story is going. So we like to either get in before or basically on the 8th week after earnings season and sort of wait for the noise to dissipate. You don't have to time every single stock all the time.
But it is good in a way to buy on dips, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely. And if you want to add to a company that you still believe in, where the story hasn't changed, it's simply about geopolitical headlines, these are some great opportunities. And those stocks that I just mentioned are also really well priced for today.
Yeah. Good companies going through rocky times, never a bad idea. Good to see you, Erin.
Thank you, Liz.